Hawaii, day 5. We are hanging out in camp, had a great night last night, good temperatures, and no rain. Wow, wow, wow. I enjoyed a good fire, and then went to bed. Woke up today to the damn rooster crowing, and it is still going hours later, so that's pretty fun. I got to sleep in pretty well, so I'm feeling great. The plan for today is to relax. We are here in this camp all day, and it's pretty far away from towns and stuff like that, so we really have no reason to go anywhere. So we're just going to chill. The part of today will probably be swimming in the ocean, maybe exploring the beach, looking for some wildlife, checking out those cool like cliff mountain walls and stuff like that, and then maybe some frisbee and maybe some early drinking, lots of food and things like that. You call it a beach day. There's only one downside to this campsite that we've learned so far, and that is all of these trees and the vines on them and pretty much everything in here are all thorn bushes. So my poor jandals, they are holding on to quite a few thorns, and this is what it looks like every time I walk through the thorny area with like my shoes or sandals. They just come out with a nice little bouquet stuck to them. I got to pull out. I have to sacrifice them as I walk away barefoot because they're coming through the sandal. Oh well, just stay out of that area. It's as simple as that. Got a little visitor on my jandal. Hey, little guy. Huh. Milk's favorite cookie? Typo. Jandal's favorite cookie. Love Oreos. Yeah, I think a fella could get used to this. But welcome to my hammock, by the way. I got this hammock as a gift years ago for like 15-20 bucks. It's like a Chinese one, and it's all nylon, so it's pretty lightweight, and it's pretty solid construction. It's always worked for me for years, so I decided to upgrade it instead of buying all of these different things for new hammocks and stuff like that, so I could take it backpacking. So I took this old netting off of an old kind of like wraparound gazebo type thing that my dad had, cut it up, sewed it into the lining of the hammock, and then this zipper here, I bought the zipper for like 10 bucks on Amazon. Goes the whole length, and then I just sewed it all right into the material of the hammock, and so now I can zip this closed, and I have this little canopy of bug netting in case there's a lot of bugs, and I've been hammocking in some situations where there's plenty of bugs. Also threw some 550 cord up here so that I can hang clothes up here, and also it keeps this bug net up away from my face, so I can hang it, and as you can see, it's kind of got this little pyramid shape that holds it up in the air, so that all leads to a comfortable ride. I also have a rain tarp that I put over top of it that I made out of an old tent rain fly from a tent that was no longer usable, so I use that. All in all, probably about 10 to 12 hours of work and maybe 20 bucks in supplies between sewing materials. I think this zipper was the most expensive thing. So I was able to get a full hammock system that I can backpack with for that price. Just had to put the work in. It works pretty well for me. So, just another way to save money and keep from going crazy so that I can do things like this, hammocking out here in Hawaii. Beach time. So of course I had to go exploring. That's what I do. So I'm at the end of the beach, and I'm right up against these gorgeous walls. Oh my god! Reminds me a lot of the canyons in the Gila River, but you know, obviously they have their differences. This place is so amazing. Look what I just found. Pretty good sized seal. Whoa. Look at this guy, just having a nap. It is now lunchtime, and we decided to have some chicken and cheese wraps. The only problem is we have no wraps. The tortillas have been commandeered by the local bird life, and they have been completely shredded apart. So now we're going to make some chicken and cheese potato bowls. Oh, a nice close second. Should be pretty good. So just cooking up. Got my cheese cut up, chicken cut up, and potatoes are cooking. So should be good. Look at that. He's the one making all those noises you can hear right now. Wow. Well, fast forward the day pretty quick, because after lunch I had about a 5-hour nap in my hammock. Time passes, time passes. So after that we went for some drinks, got into the wine and some of the rum punch and some of the Mai Tai drink right now, and I'm enjoying another fire by the ocean. So fucking loving life right now, just relaxing, being really lethargic and just enjoying the hell out of it. And then Brandon and I are just talking about some video games and life in general and just hanging out by the fire. So we got the fire going, just chilling with that. And then we also have some, of course you can't see it very well, but that says Mai Tai right there. Ooh, close enough, close enough. Use the light. There you go. Kaloa Mai Tai. So it's like a 17% alcohol mix that we're drinking on. Just keeping this buzz going. And the stars are starting to come out, which of course you can't see on camera, but just enjoying the hell out of this night. It is beautiful. The temperature is perfect. The fire is pretty. Hiker TV is on. Having a great night. So, as far as I'm concerned, I guess that's kind of the end of Hawaii Day 5? I'm really bad at this. Hawaii Day 5.
It's all a blur.
It's all a blur in a good way.
Good vacation.
Absolutely. So, end of Hawaii Day 5. Thanks for joining me. And I do have some still photos from today. I'm confident about that. So I hope you enjoy them, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and also check the description for any links that might pertain to you. And we'll see you tomorrow.